The next step after a data center disaster is data restoration. Data restore is the process of copying backup data from secondary storage and restoring it to its original location. A restore happens when data has been lost, stolen, or damaged, or needs to be moved to a new location. But the way data is restored depends on the information, how much the data was affected, how the incident happened, the software used by the backup, and other factors. Some common data restoration techniques include instant recovery, which redirects a user's workload to a backup server. Users get near immediate access to a snapshot restore point of their workload, while IT manages the full recovery in the background. Replication, which is even faster, stores copies of data in multiple locations, meaning near instant access to data. CDP, or continuous data protection, which backs up data using snapshots taken every time the data changes. This, however, can tax a system's CPU and requires a lot of storage. Near CDP, which is when data snapshots are taken at set intervals and then changes are consolidated later. And traditional backup, which stores data on HDDs or magnetic tapes. This kind of data restore is useful in major hardware disaster, but lacks the scalability and efficiency of the other methods. Learn more about data restore methods and techniques in the link above. What does your organization's data restoration plan look like? Let us know in the comments below, and please hit that like button.